To set up a Trust Wallet Multisig wallet, start by understanding what a multisig wallet is. A multisig wallet is a type of cryptocurrency wallet that requires multiple signatures or approvals to complete a transaction. This adds an extra layer of security and can be useful for managing shared funds or assets. First, download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Trust Wallet is a popular and user-friendly cryptocurrency wallet that supports multisig functionality. Once installed, open the app and create a new wallet or import an existing one. Next, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Multisig option. You will be prompted to create a new multisig wallet or join an existing one. To create a new multisig wallet, select the Create option and choose the number of signatures required to approve a transaction. This is known as the threshold and can be set to any number between 1 and the total number of owners. You will then be prompted to add owners to the multisig wallet. Each owner will need to provide their public address and confirm their participation. The public address is used to identify the owner and verify their transactions. It is essential to only add trusted individuals or entities as owners, as they will have access to the wallet and its funds. Once all owners have been added, the multisig wallet is created and ready to use. To send funds from the wallet, each owner must review and approve the transaction. The transaction will only be processed once the required number of signatures has been reached. Best practices for using a multisig wallet include setting a high threshold to ensure that not a single owner can control the funds. Using a combination of hardware and software wallets for added security. And regularly reviewing and updating the list of owners to ensure that only trusted individuals have access to the wallet. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a secure and reliable Trust Wallet multisig wallet to manage your cryptocurrency assets. This type of wallet provides an additional layer of security and control, making it ideal for managing shared funds or assets.